Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and in today's video I am so excited. I have a really exciting video to bring to you today, and if you have never been here before, just let me say a big warm welcome to you. I am so glad that you found us. I hope that you consider clicking on that big red subscribe button before you click off this video, and also hitting that post notification bell before you leave so that you don't miss a thing. If you are one of my regular subscribers, let me say thank you so much. Mwah! I appreciate you so much for coming back time and time again to spend a part of your day with me. So in today's video, guys, if you've watched my video about getting to know me a little bit better, you know that I have a really bad back. And so I have really bad headaches from that. I was hit by a city transit bus in the rear. I was the first car on impact, and they never slowed down. They just, I don't know what was going on with the driver. They were just like, I was watching it in my rearview mirror, and they were just like in La La Land. And I just could tell, you know, like they just weren't aware that there was a red light and they just weren't slowing down. And so, you know, I was trying to get my seatbelt off and I was trying to get out of my car. Can you believe that? But I was, because I had never been in an accident before. I was 20 years old and I didn't know what to do, and I wanted to get out of my car. Thank God I had on my seatbelt. He was really watching over me, and I was trying to get out of my car. So right here was the point of impact, and it just like boom, powed into me. And so I have a health condition that makes my joints bad anyway. But this just has really ruined my upper back and my neck, and so I have to see, you know, a neurologist, and I just have a really crazy spine, and sometimes my arms go numb, that kind of thing. It causes me to have headaches really bad, so I have to get Botox in my neck and things like that for my back. Well, long story short, I buy one pillow right after the other one expensive pillow right after the other to try and help my back. Most of the time, I'm not successful. Most of the time, it's a big waste of money, and so I have bought pillows. Most every time I buy a mattress, I buy a new pillow that the mattress company sells me. Oh, they got this new pillow out, and I buy, you know, I'm a sucker, I buy it. So this person contacted me and said, you know, are you interested in trying this pillow out? I was almost to the point, I wasn't rude, but I was very curt with this person. And I was like, sure, send it to me. I'll review it. Period. That's all I said. Sure, send it to me. I'll review it. They kind of want you to say more than that before they're going to send you their product. So, you know, I didn't expect to hear from them, because I'm like, you don't want to send your pillow to me, you know, honey, because let me tell you, me and pillows, we don't get along. So I wasn't expecting the person to send the pillow to me. So I got a package. John says to me, what'd you order now? I said, I haven't ordered anything. You know, I've been on a no-buy. So it was this pillow. Well, so this pillow came in the mail, and I want to tell you, this pillow is the best thing that has came into my life in a long, long time. Now, I'm going to show you all about this pillow. So if you have chronic back pain, if you have a bad neck, if you have headaches, it's supposed to be a beauty sleep pillow that keeps you from having these face wrinkles. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to put a picture up. I'm going to show you how I used to wake up with these lines down my face before I started using this pillow. I'm going to show you a picture of what type of lines I'm talking about. So this pillow gets rid of those lines. I'm going to show you that. But that's beside the point. That's icing on the cake for me personally. Now, I know that right now we are going through probably not the best time in the world to buy certain expensive, what some people might call luxury items. But if you're like me and you have so much pain, you live in so much pain on a daily basis, then whenever I say it's not a luxury item, you will understand what I mean. It really, if you're spending money on massage therapy, chiropractic therapy, and other physical therapies, and drugs like your Relpax or your Amavig, or what other type of shots that you're on for migraine, then if this, and sometimes those drugs are very expensive, then if this can keep your head aligned to where you're not going to get as many of those headaches, and you're not going to have to buy as many Relpax, and you can prolong your Relpax prescription, then maybe this pillow might be worth it to you. I don't know. But, and I'm not making anything off of this video. This video is not sponsored. The pillow was gifted to me for the review. There is I think it's like a $10 off coupon that I'll have linked below. But this pillow has helped me so much with being able to sleep and not having things press on my spine and align my spine. So this pillow has been a godsend for me with my being able to actually get sleep at night. Because without a decent pillow, I can't sleep at night. I get maybe 2 or 3 hours sleep. And then, I just toss and turn and toss and turn and toss and turn. I don't really get any sleep. That's the point. So let me show you this pillow. So when it comes in the mail, it's going to come in a box. If you're interested, it does come in a box like this. And this is the Sleep&Glow pillow. And on the back, it tells you all kinds of stuff about this pillow. But I'm just going to show you the pillow, and I'm just going to show you how I use it because it is so amazing. So when it comes, it looks like this right here. And it comes with a pillowcase. And I'm just going to unzip mine and take it out of this pillowcase so that you can just see it. And the pillowcase is washable, and it just fits on it so nicely, and it's, squishy, but yet it really holds its shape and holds its form. So it has these two sides right here, and that depends on whether you sleep on your left side or your right side. You will sleep towards one of these sides. And then it has like this little indentation right here, and this little cup indentation, and it might be a little hard to see, but there's like this little indentation right here, and this is where your head fits, the back of your head, if you are a back sleeper. I am a side sleeper, and I sleep on the side of my face. So whenever I sleep, this is where you're going to get your face right up here. And this is how you're going to sleep, like this. So what happens is that your face is free, and it's in this cup area. And so your skin, so you put where the tragus of your ear is going to go right here on this little lip. You're completely supported, but yet your face is free of any pillow, so that you don't wake up with lines and you don't wake up with wrinkles. Because there are basically two types of wrinkles. You have wrinkles from gravity pulling down, and then you have sleep wrinkles that are forming. And this pillow is going to prevent your sleep wrinkles. And then this pillow is designed to fit in the space between your shoulders and your neck. And so your neck and spine are being supported and are aligned. And it's just wonderful. It doesn't go flat. You never lose the support of this pillow. Your spine stays aligned the whole night. And you get really, really good sleep. And then if you do roll over, what I find happens is if I go to roll over, my head falls into the little cup, and then I'll usually stay on my back. So it's sort of helping train me to be a back sleeper. And that's really helping me. And so I wake up and I feel more refreshed, and it's like I've slept better for a longer period of time. And my spine feels better, because with the more traditional pillows, it's like part of it is under this part of my shoulder, and then part of it's right here, and part of it's right here. With this one, it's just here and under my head, and I don't have anything down here. And it's really comfortable. Really, really comfortable. And I really didn't expect that. So this pillow was designed between two teams, a team of cosmetologists and a team of orthopedists. Your face is not in contact, your actual face, so your bony skull is being supported, but your actual face is not in contact with the pillow. Then you're avoiding those sleep wrinkles. Your face is going to be less puffy. It's perfect if you've got false eyelashes. The pillow itself is made with silver ions, so it's going to be antimicrobial, antibacterial, so it'll stay clean. But you are given a pillowcase that just slips right over it, and you can take it, it just fits over it super easy. And you can take it on and off and throw it in the wash. Washes up and dries up super easy. So if you are in my condition and you have a lot of back pain, a lot of migraine headaches, a very bad back, this might be something worth considering for you, for something that I was so skeptical about. I really don't think I can do without this pillow now. I carry this pillow all over the house with me. When I'm going to take a nap, I have become very dependent on this pillow. I need my pillow. So I am loving this, and I really appreciate the opportunity to be able to review this pillow and to have tried this pillow, because I am so skeptical of pillows really working now that I just won't buy them. And so had it not been for the opportunity to review this pillow, I know I would have never tried it. And I love this pillow. This has made such a difference in my life. And I just urge you, if you are having pain and you need something to help with your spine, if you have upper back injury, a neck injury, from anywhere from T5 up to your C-spine, guys, give this pillow a try. It is so worth it. I'm going to leave the Sleep&Glow website down below. I'll leave my link down below where you can get $10 off. I don't make anything on this. It's just for you. This is not a sponsored video. This is just for your information. That's all it is. But if you are seeking physical therapy, if you are seeking chiropractic help, if you are seeking massage therapy, this might be something that you would really benefit from. Yes, this will help with your face wrinkles from sleeping on your side. Yes, this will help with premature aging due to that. Yes, this will help if you have false eyelashes that get squished by your pillow. Yes, this will help with all the vanity issues, but that's not what I'm here to talk to you about today. I'm here to tell you that if you have headaches, if you have back issues, if you have reasons that you are in pain with your neck, this pillow can really make a difference in your life. It has really made a difference in my life. So if you have any questions about this pillow that you would like to ask me, just leave your questions in the description box down below. I will be more than happy to answer anything that you may have questions about. I love you guys. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. Mwah. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.